Are you tired of hearing about miraculous weight loss transformations? Does it feel like everyone else has figured out the secret to health and fitness while you are still struggling? Maybe you have tried countless diets, workout plans, and lifestyle changes, only to end up disappointed and frustrated. You have probably seen those before and after photos and thought, that could never be me. The gym feels intimidating, healthy eating seems impossible, and lasting change feels like a fantasy. But what if I told you that every single woman who achieved her health and weight loss goals started exactly where you are right now? What if those transformations you doubt are actually proof of what is possible when dedication meets action? Rachel lost 40 pounds through consistent strength training and mindful eating. Emma reversed her prediabetes with daily walks and portion control. Grace gained confidence and energy by committing to just 30 minutes of movement each day. These are not superhuman women, they are ordinary people who made extraordinary commitments to themselves. They chose progress over perfection, consistency over intensity, and self-love over self-doubt. Your body is capable of incredible things. Your mind is stronger than you know. And your potential for transformation is limitless when you believe in yourself and take consistent action. Take the first step. Your future self will thank you. Your journey to health and weight loss starts now.